Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews once again. So today I'm going to show you how to edit your videos using your phone. Yes, you don't need your PC or anything, you just need your phone and this app. This is a free app using which you can edit your videos very easily and quickly. So I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of editing videos on this app. So don't miss this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So let's go. Okay, so first you have to download the Vlogit app. It is Vlogit Vlogit app. So now we are going to edit a video. So first let us add a title page. So go to From Library, choose Photos and select a picture that you want to insert for the title. So select this picture. And what we do is click on the edit option. Can you see a pencil symbol in between the picture? Just click on that pencil symbol. So if you want to rotate this picture, you can do that. Okay. Now go back. Just click the arrow next to the clip edit on the top left corner. Just click the arrow, go back. Now let's add text here. We want a title, right? So let's add text here. Go to text. The text option is on the left side corner, the bottom corner. Just click on text. So what style do you want? So can you see here? You have so many styles here. So if you want this style, you can add this style. If you want this style, you can add this. So there are so many styles here. So let's add this one. So now you want to change the text. So what you do is click on tap to add text. Then let's change the title. My shop. Okay. So we have added the title here. It's done. So let's say you want to change the duration of this title page. Again, click on the pencil symbol. Then do you see duration here on the left side corner at the bottom? Just click on duration. This is for 5 seconds now. So we want it for more than 5 seconds, let's say 7 seconds. Just drag this arrow, this red arrow. So we will keep it for 7 seconds. Okay. Then click on the tick symbol. Okay. Now again go back by clicking the arrow. So the title will appear for 7 seconds. Okay. So next is let's add the video. So we want the video, right? So let's add the video here. Right. Click the plus symbol next to the title. Can you see on both the sides you have plus symbol? So click the plus symbol on the right side. Then go to From Library, go to Videos and add this video. Let me add this video now. So it's added. Okay. So now we don't want any kind of noise, right? When you're shooting the video, you have so many different kinds of noise in the video, right? So we want to remove all that. So what we do is again click on the pencil symbol. Go to volume. Can you see the volume button on the right side bottom? Just click on that and reduce the volume completely. Make it 0. Click on the tick symbol. Okay. Now go back. Fine. So now we want to add only the music. We don't want any other noise or any other talking sound or anything like that. So we just want the music. So what do? Go to the audio. Can you see at the bottom the audio option is there next to sticker? Just click audio. So from where you want the audio to start, from the title or you want to start it from the video, just drag it. So drag it from wherever you want the music to start from. Okay, so I want it right from my title. So let me select the music. So go to music on the left side, bottom. Go to music symbol, just click on music and add. See, you have so many different kinds of music here. So I'll add the first one. So whichever you want, you can just download by clicking the red arrow symbol. You can download the music. So I'm having just this one now. I've just downloaded this one. So just with you music. So let me add it. So now I don't want the music to be too loud. Okay. So what do? Just click on that music. Can you see the red? Can you see this red color here on top of the video? Just with you. Just double click on that and reduce the volume. You can just drag this and reduce the volume. So I want it to like say only 5 to 12% volume. So I have reduced the volume to 12%. And you can select this fade in or fade out, whichever option you want. So fade in means the music starts with a low volume in the beginning and ends with the highest volume that you have set. So fade out is it starts with a high volume and ends with low volume. So whichever you want, you can select. Okay. So click the tick symbol. You're done with that. So the audio is also come. Okay. So now next, if you want to add a pop-up picture in the video, if you want to add a pop-up picture in the video, just click on the video. So this is the video, right? So click on that video and go to the bottom. Can you see that PIP? The 4th icon. Just click on PIP. Add a pop-up picture. Let's say I want to add this bird. So what I do is I place it here. So if I wanted to make it bigger, I just drag it. Okay. So I place it here and again click the tick symbol. Okay. So we have added the pop-up picture here in the video after 7 seconds. Okay. So that's done. Now, say I want to split this video. I want to split this video because I want to add something in between the video. I want to add a picture or another video in between. So that's why I select split option. So now go to the pencil symbol again. Just click on the pencil symbol again. And can you see the split option next to the trim? So click on. So wherever you want to split the video, just drag the red color line. Just drag it. So if I want to add it after say 20 seconds. So I'll drag the video to 20 seconds and I split it in between. So click on split after 20 seconds. Split and click the tick symbol. Go back. So now you see 2 videos, right? So it has split into 2. So if I want to add some other video in between these 2 videos, what I do is I click on the plus symbol in between these 2 videos. That is on the right side. The plus symbol on the right side. So I click the plus symbol here. Then again I go to library. I add another video. Okay. So I'm adding this video. I've added another video. So this is a pretty long video. So this is about 54 seconds, I think. So I don't want such a long video in between. So what I do, I want to shorten it. Okay. So what I do is I click on the pencil symbol once again and I will trim this video. So can you see the scissor symbol with trim under that. So click on that scissor symbol on the left side corner. So click on trim, and so how many minutes I want or how many seconds I want only 10 seconds. So what I do is I just drag it from where I want to start. I just drag this arrow. So let it start from 8 seconds and let it end. So on both the sides you see the arrow, right? So just drag it 9.2 seconds to 19.1 seconds. So I've dragged it accordingly and click the tick symbol. Okay. Now we want a sticker. Let's say we want to put a subscribe button just to remind the viewer to subscribe to your channel. So what do? Let's just click on where we want the subscribe button to be. So we want it at the end of the video. So just drag the video wherever you want the subscribe button to appear and click on the sticker. So you see the text option on the left side corner, right? So just next to it there is a sticker option. Just click on the sticker and click on this subscribe. So if you want to make it bigger, just make it bigger. So wherever you want to place it, you can just move it. Just drag and click the tick symbol. So it's done. Now suppose you want to increase the speed of the video, the playback speed. What you do is go to speed. Can you see at the bottom? Can you see speed? So go to speed and increase the speed of the video. So I don't want it to be very fast, so I just make it 1, the normal speed, and click tick. Okay. So now we have the title here. We have the pop-up picture. So we have split the video and added another video in between. We have the subscribe button here. Here, can you see it? And here we have the title. Okay, so that's it. So let's say you want to add your voice here. You want to say something in between the video. So what you do is just click on the video and then click the audio again, the audio symbol on the bottom, the third symbol, just click on that. Then you can select voiceover. Okay. So now this is the campfire we had during the trip. So I have added the audio here. Then click the tick symbol and click OK. So let's see. Let's play it. So now this is the campfire we had during the trip. So you heard it, right? So that's it. Now we have to save our video, right? So just go to top right. You see an arrow at the top right, right? Just click on that arrow on the top right corner to save the video. Just click on that. So it started exporting. It's done. So what we do is, if you want to save it on the phone, just click save to camera roll. Or if you want to save it on your Dropbox, you can save it to your Dropbox. Click on the more option at the bottom right corner. Just click on that and then click save to Dropbox. Or if you want to save it on your drive, Google Drive, you can do that also. Just click on drive, then give done. So I'm going to save it on my camera roll. So it is saved now. So let's check the video. So now this is the campfire we had during the trip. So if you found my video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will be coming up with more and more videos like this. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Don't forget it. So we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.